Hello, my name is Gloria Andrade, and I'm going to be presenting on Empowering Generations. I'm a program manager for a life coach for Empowering Generations. Empowering Generation exists to provide help and hope to young parents and their children. We offer programs and services throughout Orange County for teen moms, teen dads, and teen couples. The overview for our teen pregnancy is target population. It's going to be expecting teen parents and parenting teens. Contributing factors to our prevailing teen pregnancy is low socioeconomical status and lack of education. Some of the barriers faced are lack of educational development, lack of support, and lack of knowledge on childcare. There's short and long-term impacts on teen pregnancy. Short term would be the reduction of educational attainment. So a lot of teen mothers or teen parents are dropping out of high school. About 90% of them don't graduate or obtain a GED. There's also more demands on resources, especially as they get older, because of the lack of educational attainment that they have. They rely more heavily on programs such as welfare and housing, etc. Long term would be stress that can lead to poor birth results. A lot of parents don't our teen parents don't have the knowledge to care for themselves during their pregnancy or their children once they're born. Another would be the negative effect on economy, as discussed in short term, not being able to obtain education and have more demands on resources. In the long run, will just affect our economy. The goal for Empowering Generations is use of counseling support through our program Life Coach. It will increase self-reliance and transition to independent living. It's group counseling that's provided twice a week by a trained counselor, which holds a minimum of a master's degree in family counseling. This one-on-one mentor relationship will really help teen parents and teen moms to transition smoothly into their new role as a parent. They will also act as an accountability partner through the teen through the program, through the time the teen is in our program, as they work from small monthly goals to bigger goals. We also have workshops. These workshops will help the teen learn to improve financial literacy, develop time management skills, and learn of community resources that benefit their family, as well as work on relationships, goals, anger, sex education, and more. We also have individualized plans that will help young moms and young parents give the opportunity to attend self-reliance workshops where they'll be exposed to project-based learning activities to be proactive and form an action plan and implementing it. These individualized plans will really be focusing on their high school education, completing it or completing a GED, and also increasing completion of post-secondary educational, vocational training, or just be able to obtain an employment that is at a livable wage. Lastly, we'll offer parenting classes. Through these classes, they're going to learn about child safety, learn about how to foster healthy attachment between their child, promote healthy parenting, and learn how to access parent and child resources. At the end of the program with Empowering Generations, we expect for them to have realistic and attainable goals, also obtain organizational and time management skills, as well as financial literacy. By providing these support and resources along their journey, uh, they're going to be able to attain an affordable housing in a safe neighborhood, and we're going to be able to facilitate that and help them, continue that house stability and independent living upon the completion of our program. Also, by guiding you towards that financial stability and having that financial literacy by facilitating educational attainment and employment, we'll be able to see them through a successful future and also teach them to be engaged parents and through our workshops and seminars, and they'll be able to foster a healthy relationship between their children. These will all really be helping to reduce that statistic on teen moms dropout rates and teen dads as well, and help decrease that percentage of teen moms having a repeat birth after their first year of having a child, which will really stop that cycle of increased teen pregnancy that we're seeing, and as well as helping that child not continue that cycle. Because their moms are going to have that education, they're going to have that financial literacy, they're going to have that educational background, and be able to support themselves and be self-reliant. Our sustainability plan is, we're able, through our partners that we have now, they provide a meeting space for our program. Some of them offer a pro bono service through their law firm. We have marketing firms and HR firms, as well as professional photographers, which help with our fundraisers. We also have small programs and partners that offer sponsorships and grants when it comes to the teens' education. But really, our plan really is just to continue to focus on realistic goals, obtainable goals. That way, we're not out of reach, and we're not likely to run out of our resources, including our partners and the money that we do have now. The staff that work at Empowering Generations have a master's degree in family counseling, guidance, and career counseling or educational counseling. Others have a master's degree in social work with an emphasis on children, youth, and families. We have staff with a pediatric background as well as media background that really help with our Instagram or fundraising that we do for our agency. Here is the board of directors. We have Gloria Anthopoulos. She's our founder and executive director. She has a BA from Cal State Fullerton, and she developed, just a passion to have to run this organization to help teen parents. Ramel Anthopoulos is our treasurer. He is a full-time grad student, and he has helped. He has a background of social work and nonprofit management. We have Stephanie Alexandra, who is our president, and she is a singer-songwriter, actually. She's been featured in the Game of Thrones live concert and appeared in Michael Jackson tour. But mostly, she's able to relate as she was a teen mom herself. So her heart really goes out, and she has a lot of passion for Empowering Generations mission statement. We have Jasmine Smothers. She is the one that has a pediatric background. She's our birth and postpartum doula. And we have Naya Smothers. She's our resource center manager and board member. And she also has a bachelor's degree in marriage and family counseling, also coming from a background, an abusive domestic violence relationship. So she uses her experience in a positive way to be able to help our teens now get out of unsafe relationships and really just be a role model. We have also community recognition. Voyage LA Magazine wrote an article about our executive director and what she's doing in Empowering Generations, and our goal and our mission statement on helping our teen parents. We were also voted one of the best places to work in Orange County in 2019 by Orange County Business Journal. So thank you so much for your time. We're really looking forward to be able to get your support. We're doing a lot in Empowering Generations, and we hope to continue and expand and be able to provide more for our teen parents and expecting teen parents. Thank you.